Hey tech enthusiasts, it's Rapid Tech. In this episode, NASA sets futuristic lunar pods for 2040. Meta and Ray-Ban redefine style with smart glasses, and a tiny macro Nerf gun smaller than a human hair takes the spotlight. RoboFab introduces the world's first humanoid robot factory, while Mercedes' new autonomous drive rivals Tesla. Join us for a whirlwind tour of groundbreaking innovations that will redefine the way you see the future. We will start today's episode with futuristic pods on the moon by NASA. Imagine that by 2040, NASA is getting ready to build not just shelters, but also real homes on the moon. This will pave the way for future trips between planets, maybe even to Mars. The journey began in 2015 with NASA's interesting 3D printed habitat challenge, which inspired people to think of new ways to live on the moon. As we look to the future, NASA is making the dream of living on the moon a real possibility. The homes that will be built there will not only be useful, but they will also be a testament to how creative people can be in space. Let's now proceed to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, which were unveiled by Mark Zuckerberg. Meta introduced its most recent collection of smart glasses by Ray-Bans during the Meta Connect event in late September 2023. These glasses are now on the market and can record audio and video recording. By utilizing your voice, you can prompt the AI to respond to queries, send images, or stream your perspective live on Meta's platforms like Facebook and Instagram. The Wayfarer, the Round, and the Meteor are the two classic Ray-Ban styles. These glasses are equipped with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, dual speakers, and 5 microphones for immersive audio capture. They also include a built-in storage capacity of 32 gigabytes, sufficient to store around 500 photos or 100 plus of 30-second videos. Smart glasses are the ideal form factor for you to let an AI assistant see what you are seeing and hear what you are hearing, Zuckerberg said. The glasses launched on October 17th, and the cost is $299. Many people are very excited about these smart glasses that will change the game, but privacy issues are still being talked about a lot. Does this new technology make you think that our privacy is being invaded? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. The conversation is just getting started. Our upcoming device is the tiniest Nerf gun in the world, and it's incredibly minuscule. A former NASA engineer, Mark Rober, has collaborated with the world-famous Salk Institute to produce the world's smallest Nerf gun. At roughly 0.002%, the width of a human hair, the microscopic gun is so small it can't be viewed without specialized imaging equipment. Using DNA origami, they made a molecular-scale replica of a Nerf blaster, 3 million times smaller than the original. In 2016, he created the biggest Nerf gun on the planet, capable of firing enormous foam darts that could travel nearly halfway down a football field. Presently, he's reversed course, on a quest to discover the tiniest Nerf gun in the world. From Robert's point of view, the pursuit of the world's smallest Nerf gun could be an enjoyable means to showcase various engineering methods. However, while that's certainly a valid reason for the endeavor, there could be extra advantages to consider. Mark said, the nano Nerf idea could actually be a springboard for a useful new technology. If we can create molecular injection devices, then we might one day be able to use these nano injectors to deliver drugs to cells in a manner that is more effective, precise, and safe than current technologies. While discussions about the future are ongoing, we're delighted to introduce you to the world's first humanoid robot factory by RoboFab, demonstrating that the future is already here. RoboFab, the robot's powerhouse that broke new ground, has done something that seemed like science fiction at first. Imagine a factory that is truly amazing, where each robot that comes off the assembly line. What we're talking about here aren't just any robots, these are real machines that can move and talk like people. Agility Robotics, the innovator behind the remarkable bipedal robot known as Digit, announced today that they are inaugurating RoboFab, a robotic manufacturing facility located in Salem, Oregon. This facility has the capacity to manufacture over 10,000 robots annually. The construction of Agility's 70,000 square foot robot factory is scheduled to be operational later this year. In its first year, Agility foresees a production capacity of hundreds of Digit robots, with the potential to scale up to over 10,000 robots annually. When operating at full capacity, RoboFab will provide employment to over 500 individuals in Salem, in addition to the employees at Agility's other facilities. This is the beginning of the future at RoboFab. This clever combination of art and technology creates a symphony of new ideas. AI, advanced robots, and cutting-edge 3D printing are coming together to change the way things are made. Damian Shelton, Agility Robotics co-founder and CEO, said, "The opening of our factory marks a pivotal moment in the history of robotics, the beginning of the mass production of commercial humanoid robots." Before we continue, please remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and now let's proceed. Is new autonomous Mercedes Drive Level 3 better than Tesla? Autonomous Mercedes Drive Pilot is a Level 3 autonomous system, meaning you can take your hands off the wheel and, more notably, your eyes off the road during certain conditions. With this announcement, Mercedes-Benz has outpaced Tesla. Drive Pilot is set to make its debut in California and Nevada this autumn, becoming available in the first 2 states to grant approval for the system. In traffic jams on highways, Drive Pilot permits hands-free, eyes-off driving at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, enabling the driver to divert their attention away from the road to activities such as playing a game or watching a movie. This will change the game, so get ready to shift into high gear. It's more than just a car, it's a technological wonder that will change the car business forever, and it's pretty close to beating Tesla. Mercedes has done everything possible to make this a gem of a car. LiDAR radar and high-tech cameras are some of the advanced sensor systems that give the car a real-time 360-degree view of its surroundings. This complete set of sensors keeps you safe by giving you backup options and better performance in any weather. Tesla, on the other hand, relies mostly on cameras, which can fail in bad weather. That's not all, though. Mercedes has tweaked its system to reduce jerky moves and sudden stops. As a result, passengers enjoy a ride that is very smooth and predictable. While Tesla has made great progress in self-driving technology, Mercedes Level 3 innovation is better in terms of safety, reliability, driver engagement, and passenger comfort. Fasten your seatbelts, as we're about to delve into another futuristic undertaking, and this one involves a flying car. This flying car just wowed the Detroit Auto Show. It could be in the skies by 2025. ALF Aeronautics, a California-based startup, recently revealed its Model A prototype to a surprisingly large audience. Spectators gathered around the sleek UFO-inspired vehicle, which features a bubble-shaped cabin designed for 2 passengers. ALF is just one of several manufacturers in the United States, Europe, and Asia gearing up to introduce street-legal flying cars within the coming years. The ALF Model A, which is still a groundbreaking work in progress, is about to change the way we think about smooth transportation. It's not just another car, it's a link between regular cars today and flying cars in the future. The vehicle boasts dimensions of approximately 17 feet in length, 7 feet in width, and 6 feet in height, making it akin to the size of an SUV and tailored to conveniently fit into standard parking spaces and garages. According to ALF founder and CEO Jim Duchovny, this versatile machine, equipped for driving, vertical takeoff, and forward flight, has the capability to cover 200 miles on the road and 110 miles in the air. The $300,000 price tag means it's for early adopters, especially ones who live in Silicon Valley, where the Model A can legally fly in certain areas. The company says it has received 2,800 pre-orders for the Model A, including an onrush following its presentation in Detroit. So many orders, in fact, Duchovny says it crashed their payment system. When it comes down to it, the ALF Model A is the best of both worlds. It is a hybrid wonder that has the features of a normal electric car and uses technology similar to helicopters for takeoffs and landings. Its cutting-edge electric power system gives it amazing speed and makes sure the ride is smooth and good for the environment. When it's time to go from road to air, the ALF Model A gracefully uses its VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing skills. This is where things really get exciting. This change is so beautiful and easy to understand that anyone can use it, not just pilots. Duchovny says it's easy to learn. I can teach you how to fly and drive this in about 15 minutes or less. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the latest tech wonders. We hope you're as excited as we are. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest developments in the world of technology.